Jesus Christ, His Son. And now let the weak say, I am strong. Let the poor say, I am rich, because of what the Lord has done for us. Give thanks.
I ask Sister Lisa to close us in some prayer.
Father, salamat Lord sa kapagpayan na sa lugar ng aming lugar. And now we're ready to go to the days of General Service. So kung ano ba yung ginawa mo, prepare sa mga same thing na aming healing, prepare those people for the General Service, especially those people of that na may connect agad namin sa gospel. So thank you also for giving strength and power to us maayos. Pagbigay ng message of God. Thank you to us. Thank you also for giving us your strength also, Lord, as interceder, O God. So continually we ask your guidance and your protection, especially tomorrow as we go travel to the land of General Santos City, O God. You send your heavenly angels to protect us, O God. And even sa aming trip back to Manila on Tuesday, ikaw rin po ang mag-guide sa amin. So maraming salamat po, Lord. Ibinabalik po namin ang lahat ng papuri at pasasalamat sa pangalan ni Jesus. Amen.
Announcement, alas 6 ang